Hey guys, I'm Bob, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a seat clip on a Lifetime sit-on-top kayak. This particular kayak is a Tahoma. The Tioga is exactly the same. What does a seat clip do? A seat clip will hold up the back of the seat while you're paddling. And there are seat clips on either side, on both sides. And the one I have here failed on me, and I guess it's a common thing on Lifetime kayak, sit-on-top kayaks, for this to happen because there's so many different manufacturers of these seat clips for Lifetime sit-on-top kayaks. So let's get into the details and I'll show you exactly how to replace the seat clip on a Lifetime sit-on-top kayak. Okay, so when I ordered my seat clips, I got them in a pack of 4 just in case this happens again at some point. I'm just going to take out one of them and put the others aside. I'm holding up the back of my the seat with a bungee cord because I have this kayak propped up against my truck just for demonstration purposes. So this one over here is perfectly fine. If you needed to replace this one, you simply would push down on this portion of the clip and then you would just unhook the seat clip that way. It just kind of clips in and then you just put it back like that. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, the seat clips are meant to hold up the back of the seat on a Lifetime sit-on-top kayak. Now this one here, as you can see, I'll give a close-up of that, it actually cracked and broke off. So, I mean, it totally failed. Sometimes this portion kind of wears down over time and won't stay hooked in to the other piece. Okay, so the seat clip that I had previously just failed. It actually broke right here. So I can't use that. So I'm taking the new one and it hooks onto the other piece right here. Hooks just like that. So that's how it works. But you have to take this strap and hold it in this manner and just put the strap down into the hole, and then you come back up through this side, and there are teeth right here that will hold it in place. So I'm going to come right back up under. So now you have the strap in place, and you're going to take this portion and it hooks into this portion down here. And what you could do is actually pop this out, push down, pop it out, take that and this hook piece and just kind of hook it into just like that. And then you can just take this, I'm holding up the back of the seat with my arm. Take this in, put it into the slot, and then pull back. Okay? So now the seat, if this kayak was flat, the seat would stay up. And then you can adjust how you like the seat. You like it more forward, you like it more backwards, you like it straight up and down. You can adjust it with the strap here now that the seat clip has been replaced. So here's what it looks like all replaced. This is the new seat clip right here. It's nice and solid, it's sturdy. It's holding the back of the seat in place. You notice there's another one over there that we talked about. You can adjust the straps themselves if you want to have the seat further back or further forward or straight up and down. I kind of like it straight up and down when I kayak. So that's basically all there is to replacing a seat clip on a Lifetime sit on top kayak.